Little Fox. Bat and Friends, The Rainy Day. Episode 1, Little Drops and Big Drops. The sky was not blue. It was gray. Cat woke up.
Look at that,
she said. Little drops came down. Big drops came down.
Go away, rain,
said Cat.
I want to play. Go away, rain,
said Cow.
I want to see the sun.
Go away, rain,
said Pig.
I want to eat.
I don't like rain,
said Cat.
I don't like rain,
said Cow.
We don't like rain,
said Pig. But the rain came down. The rain did not stop. The 3 friends stayed in the barn. They did not go out. Pig said,
When will the rain go away?
Cow said,
What can we do?
Bat and Friends, The Rainy Day. Episode 2, What is it?
I know,
said Cat.
we can play in the barn.
Play what?
Said Pig.
We can play. What is it?
Said Cat.
I see something yellow.
Said Cat.
What is it?
Pig and Cow looked around.
Is it hay?
Said Pig.
No, it is not hay.
Said Cat.
Is it the light?
Said Cow.
No, it is not the light.
Said Cat.
Is it the boot?
Said Pig.
Yes, it is the yellow boot.
Said Cat.
Now, Pig,
Said Cat.
you say what you see.
I see something blue.
Said Pig.
It is something new.
Cow and Cat looked around. But they did not see anything.
If you guess,
Said Pig.
I will take you for a ride.
Bat and Friends, The Rainy Day. Episode 3, There it is. Cat looked all over. Cow looked all over. They did not see anything blue. They did not see anything new. Then Cat saw something.
There it is!
She said.
It is blue and it is new. It is a wagon. I am too big to ride,
Said Cow.
but I can pull.
Cow pulled and pulled. Then Pig pulled and pulled. The three friends went round and round.
Look!
Said Cat.
Over there! I see something blue again!
I see something yellow.
Said Pig.
I see something red and green.
Said Cow. The three friends went out of the barn. They looked up. The sky was blue, and there was a rainbow.